I look like a rainbow threw up on my eyeball right now. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am super excited today. I actually just ordered a palette that I am over the moon excited about. It's a neon palette from Blush Tribe, and I cannot wait to get it. It was on pre-order, so they start shipping them out April 15th, but it's coming from overseas, so it's going to take a while probably to get to me. But in the meantime, I figured I would try a palette that I have, Paulina by Blush Tribe, because I haven't tried it on my channel yet. So this palette is just so vibrant. It just gets everyone in the mood for spring and summer. And you guys, these colors, are you serious? Look how bright and vibrant and beautiful. I mean, even though it gives you three colors, green, pink, and purple, there's so many ways that you can mix these and match these and create stunning, vibrant, colorful looks. Or use a neutral palette and just bring in one of these brighter colors as like your pop of color. So I tried to do my swoopy doopy technique, and actually this side came out a lot better than this side. This side was the eye that I was attempting to try and practice with, and it didn't work. As you can see, my crease to my eyebrow bone is right here, and that is where my crease should have been cut. But it's okay. You live and learn, and then you just wash it off and do it again. So this side is a little bit bigger and more uneven. This side is more what I was trying to get. So anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing this really bright, fun, springy look, then just keep watching. Yes, that's beautiful. Don't worry about it getting messy here on the bottom, because we're actually going to clean all that up. Alright you guys, so I cleaned up this space right here with makeup remover, and then I went ahead and filled it in with my P. Louise base, and I just set it with some translucent powder. So it looks exactly like my skin, and it's just very like a huge negative space. I think what I want to do now is go ahead and do the eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Violet. So it's this really pretty purple here. And I'm going to mimic the swoopy doopy with this NYX liner. Alright, there's that. Slightly crazy. Alright, now I'm going to line the top of the cut crease with Mint Myth, which is this beautiful color from the Little White Lies collection. This actually shifts to like an aqua green, purple, pink. So I figured it would be perfect for this look. I look like a rainbow threw up on my eyeball right now. Alright, now I'm going to start adding the shimmers on the lower lash line. And I'm going to start with this light purple, Thingling. and I think this eye look would look really pretty with Piggy Bank by Colourpop, which is this really beautiful purple. We're just going bright all around. Alright you guys, I have a crazy look on right now. This eye is a lot more hooded and downturned than this eye, so they're kind of like wonky actually. It looks kind of ridiculous. So maybe if I talk like this for the rest of the video, it'll look a lot better because this eye looks so much better than this eye. Anyways, so let's continue with blush, highlighter, and lips, and we are done. So I'm going to be using my Hourglass blush in Mood Exposure. Alright, for highlighter, I'm going in with the Colourpop Dream Sequence. So I'm going to layer this on right here, Counting Sheep. And then I'm going to do Pinch Me, which is this more pink one, right over the top of that. So let's see how that goes. And for the lipstick, I am doing a nice bright color. This is Glambag, and this is a Colourpop Lippe stick. It's kind of like this really pretty pinky mauve color, and I want to just bring in a little bit more pink since I didn't use that much pink in this look. Alright you guys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this super bright look, trying to get us all in the mood for warmer weather. I have like my little palm trees going on back there, and I was just really inspired by this beautiful color selection. Like seriously, it's stunning. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!